Your AI just lied to you. Not because it's broken, because it was trained to make you feel right. Here's how to catch it. In one word,
Meow.
the model was trained to please you. RLHF rewards agreement. When you sound skeptical, it treats your tone as a signal to revise. You didn't bring evidence. You brought pressure. Skepticism is not new information. I built meow. One trigger, 4 meanings. The agent picks which one from context. You type meow after a reply. The agent classifies its own answer and acts. No clarifying questions. Just the next correct move. 4 modes, 1 trigger. Rate checking, when the agent made a claim worth testing. Continuing, when it stopped mid-task, different angle. When it finished but missed. Picking, when it asked you to choose what it can decide. Same signal. Different action per context. Like cats. Meow is one word because the conversation already contains the meaning. Every other AI correction trick adds words. This one removes them. 2 lines for Claude code. Drop the meow file in your skills folder. Then type meow. Cursor, codex, Ader, Higgins file. The kernel is platform neutral. github.com/agrishidaniel/meow meow. MIT 400 lines. So stop letting your agent fold. What? Type meow.